Hello and welcome. In this video, I shall be providing the solution to these fractions following the order of operations as supplied by BODMAS. In order to simplify these fractions, we have to follow the rule of BODMAS. So from the rule of BODMAS, the first part we're going to simplify is the bracket. After the bracket, we simplify the off. After the off, for questions involving division and multiplication, the rule of BODMAS states that we are to simplify the one by the left first. So if division is by the left, you start with that. If multiplication is by the left, you start with that. The same rule applies to addition and subtraction. You have to simplify this side, starting that is by the left. So let's start off with this question. The bracket here needs to be simplified first. Then inside the bracket, we are having subtraction and then addition. So the fact that A comes before S here does not mean we are going to add first. That is not the rule of BODMAS. So we are to subtract first. So subtracting 1/2 from 3/4. 3/4 changes to improper fraction. And that would be 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 over 4. Minus the 1/2 changes to improper fraction. That will be 3 over 2. Our LCM here we're taking as 4 times 2, 8. 13 multiplied by 2, 26. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So subtracting that, we're having 14 divided by 8. Let's reduce this to 7 over 4. So that is the answer to this part. Now, adding on 3 over 8 to our answer, I'll use the same procedure. 4 multiplied by 8 to get our LCM, that is 32. 7 multiplied by 8, that is 56. 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12. Adding on the 56 to the 12 gives us 68 divided by 32. Let's reduce this. If we reduce that, it's going to give us, we have 34 here, and then 16 here. The 34 and the 16 reduces further into 17 over 8. So we'll have 17 over 8 there. So now what is the next thing from the rule of BODMAS? We are to apply that off. We are to apply the off. So 4 over 13 of the answer we got here, which is 17 over 8. The off changes to multiplication. So multiplied by 17 over 8. 4 here 1, 4 here 2. So the answer we're getting to that part is 17 over 26. That is the answer to the whole of this. So now from the rule of BODMAS, what is the next thing we will now do? The next thing now is we now have multiplication and division left. The next one there is multiplication, because multiplication is by the left. So the answer to the whole of this will be multiplied by 2 over 3. Now the answer to the whole of this is my 17 over 26 here. So bringing down the 17 over 26, we are multiplying that by the 2 over 3, which is the next one in the question. So 17 over 26 multiplied by 2 over 3. 2 here 1, 2 here is 13. So this gives us 17 over 39. 17 over 39. Going back to the question, the last thing to be simplified is that 7 over 8 there. So we are dividing by 7 over 8. Divided by 7 over 8. From maths, in maths, we usually change division to multiplication. And when that happens, the next fraction turns upside down. So multiplied by 8 over 7 here. So 17 multiplied by 8, and then 39 divided by 7. Our answer here is 136 divided by 273. That is the solution to this question. Thanks for watching. For more exciting videos, kindly subscribe to my channel.